Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about the big road improvements that are coming to Montego Bay and the outskirts. Okay, we are driving over Long Hill and heading towards Anchovy. We're actually going into the town of Anchovy. And as you can see, this road is very narrow. So one of the projects that's going to start soon in Montego Bay is the Long Hill bypass, and that is where they're going to build a road, a two-lane highway, rural highway with a concrete barricade from Bogue to Montpelier. So it's going to be a 10.5 kilometer road with 2 lanes and a rural highway. It's going to have climbing lanes, escape lanes, and it's going to run from Bogue, more specific, Temple Gallery Road, in the vicinity of the Bogue Village, to Montpelier. So you won't have to use these narrow roads anymore to get to Anchovy and those kind of places. They'll have exits along the way. The road will cross over the Ramble Main Road. So the road is going to begin at the intersection of the proposed Montego Bay bypass and Temple Gallery Road in the vicinity of Bogue Village. It will pass southerly towards Bogue Hill, crossing the Ramble Hill Road, and end at a roundabout in Montpelier. So basically it will drastically cut down the travel time between Montego Bay and Savlamar. Montego Bay is the largest city in the west, and Savlamar is the second largest town in the west. Montego Bay is where you have the airport, so everybody that comes in to the island comes in through Montego Bay and then filters out to different places. Now the Sangster International Airport, which is in Montego Bay, is the largest and the busiest airport in Jamaica, and so you have a lot of tourists and other persons using it. So when you go land in Montego Bay, you go to Norm, Ocho Rios, Negril, Salvamar, St. Elizabeth. So all these roads that the government is fixing will help your persons get around easier. And we must say the government is doing an excellent job in building out this road network and fixing it. You have the Southern Coastal Highway, the Northern Coastal Highway, Highway 2000. And Highway 2000 and the Northern Coastal Highway will meet in Montego Bay. Highway 2000 will run from Kingston to Montego Bay when finished, and the Northern Coastal Highway runs all the way from Port Antonio through Montego Bay to Negril. And also this Long Hill bypass that takes you to Savlamar, and in Savlamar from Ferris crossing to Macfield. The Macfield main road was upgraded recently, a few years ago, and that road cut the travel time between Savlamar and Montego Bay in about half. And then now with this bypass, it's going to cut the travel time even more. So these roads are well needed and well appreciated. Okay, so this is just one project that's going on in the Long Hill bypass. Is one project going on in Montego Bay. There are many more. Now the entire, okay, let's back up. The Montego Bay Road project, the Mobe Bypass Road project, the Mobe Bypass Road project has 4 parts to it. One is building a perimeter road on the outskirts of Montego Bay. It's called the Montego Bay Perimeter Road. The second part is building the Long Hill bypass. The third part is upgrading Barnett Street and West Green Avenue, and the fourth part is to build a toll plaza. So that's the Montego Bay bypass project. So this Long Hill bypass is just one part of the project, and the project is being done, well, of course, any major road work, we don't even have to ask who the contractor is. That's a given. It's China Harbour Engineering Company. Now, we can talk briefly about the contractor. Now, China Harbour Engineering Company does an excellent job. Excellent job. But the funds that are going to be used to build these projects are not coming from the China Exim Bank. They're coming from the Jamaican government. So when it's done that way, the project is supposed to put out a tender and then persons bid on it and then the contractor chosen. But for some reason, and I don't know the details, this project is being paid for by the Jamaican government, but China Harbour Engineering Company is the contractor. I don't think there was a process put out or tender put out. It was just assigned to China Harbour Engineering Company, and I think the point was raised in Parliament as to why this project wasn't put out to tender. No, I'm not sure. The Northern Coastal Highway is being expanded from 2 lanes to 4 lanes, and I think that project is going to be put out to tender. Okay, so the Ministry of Economic Growth and Job Creation, through the National Road Operations and Constructing Company, NROC, is putting this project together. They have selected China Harbour Engineering Company as a contractor, and the basis for this project, now this is the entire project, all 4 parts, is to reduce the congestion in the city of Montego Bay, reduce traffic, reduce travel time, reduce accident potential, stimulate economic growth, and create jobs. So that is the basis behind this project. And as we said, it's going to be funded by the Jamaican government. And because it's being funded by the Jamaican government, the government put in some stipulations, I should say, about the workforce. The workforce for the extensive project will include 95% locals for the unskilled and general work, and a minimum of 50% locals for the technical positions. So basically, they're trying to ensure that the local persons get jobs from this, because the Ministry of Economic Growth and Job Creation naturally wants to create jobs. And I must say, they are doing a very good job in funding, in getting these projects going, the ministry. I'm really impressed with the amount of road projects they have started. And there are a lot of projects going on in Jamaica, or projects to start soon. Highway 2000, the Maypen to Mandeville leg is almost finished, should finish sometime soon. In the Northern Coastal Highway from Ocharias to Montego Bay is going to be expanded from 2 to 4 lanes soon. And the Southern Coastal Highway is being built from Kingston to Portland. So I must say, the government, and especially this ministry, is doing an excellent job. Alright guys,